Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to create a GIC account in CIBC Bank. First, you need to go to ISBO CIBC, click on this link pay.cibc.com, click on OK. So select that thing which you are applying for. In my case, I am applying for student GIC program and choose the amount you need to pay for GIC. The minimum is 10,000 Canadian dollars and the maximum is 20,000 Canadian dollars. Choose the currency or country from where you will be paying. I'll be paying from India, so I choose India. This should be the country in which you are living in right now, and so it shows the amount in Indian rupees that you need to pay towards your GIC account. Or you can even change the currency, but in my case I'll be paying through INR, so I choose this and I select. And if you need to pay 1.5% of the program fee in Canadian dollars, you can choose this. Most of the time people don't choose this. In my case also, I would not be choosing that. I'll be paying the entire $10,000 for GIC, and I won't be paying anything towards my college fees through this account. After selecting the currency, you need to go click on student information. Please note, once you enter the student information page, you will have only 19 minutes and 43 seconds to complete this entire application. Choose your appropriate title and your legal first name and last name according to the passport. This is really important. It should exactly match the passport. And if you don't have a last name in your passport, like me, you select no last name option here. And the first name and the last name here is optional. And school, choose the school which you are going to study. In my case, I'll be going to Georgian. And the program of study. So in case if your program is not listed here, you can choose program not listed. And student ID, if you have your student ID, you can enter it, or else you can leave it blank. And tentative arrival date, a tentative date when you are planning to reach or land in Canada. And tentative graduation date will be given in your offer letter. And intention of this account, or the intended use of this account, is education or children's education. Occupation category is student. Occupation description is again student, and detailed description of your occupation is not required. And is this account to benefit third party? You need to give as no, and you need to upload your admission letter. Then give the student contact details. Give your details, street number, street name, all your current address, and confirm your email address. This is the email address which the CIBC will try to reach you. And create a new password. Make sure you give all the valid passport, a strong one, with these conditions. And you need to provide your passport details. And if in case if you have any referral, you can give this. If you have a referral, when you create your GIC account and activate once you reach Canada, both you and your referral will get $25. So if you want to refer if you are coming from a referral, you need to click on yes and provide the email address of the referral. So if you want my referral ID, you can put in my email address, the vishnuvijayan@gmail.com. I will be giving this in the description. And additional information, remitting bank and account number. This will be the bank from which you will be sending the money. So I'll be making the payment through Axis Bank, and I will choose that, and I'll give my account number and my PAN number. And then click on all the declarations, and then click on payment summary. So once you have verified all the payment summary, and once you click on submit, you can then log into your CIBC account. And once you log into your CIBC account, you can see your transaction history here. So uh, click on view details, and it shows the all the details here. And then click on payment instruction. So once you download this payment instruction, it will show all the payment details that you need to follow. This is the beneficiary name, beneficiary account number, address, bank name and branch, beneficiary IFSC code, and the amount that need to be paid. And please note that in the remarks section, ISBO 2021 and GIC 210800906, that is my GIC reference number. So both ISBO 2021 and your GIC reference number should be mentioned in the remarks. And there are some banks which do not have a provision to add remarks during your RTGS or NEFT transfer. In that case, nothing to worry about. Since I am paying through Axis Bank, even Axis Bank doesn't have this option. It's okay. That is not mandatory. You can do it without that as well. And once you have made the payment, make sure you upload the payment receipt in the in your GIC account. So for that, log into your account, click on view details, and here you get an option to upload your receipt. Make sure you scan the receipt and upload it in here, and click on submit. So once you do that, CIBC will take around 2 to 3 days for creating your GIC account, and you will get an email after 2 or 3 days. So after that, you can again click on view details and download both your investment advice letter and welcome letter. So investment advice letter is your GIC certificate. Thank you.